Greetings, fellow irrigators. In today's video, we are going to show you a simple solution to save water in your irrigation system by installing a device called the Retro-Regulator. The Retro-Regulator is a patented water conservation device that installs in existing 4, 6, and 12-inch pop-up sprinkler bodies. It works by reducing pressure and flow at the nozzle. Ideally, sprinklers should operate between 30 and 45 psi. However, most systems operate well above that at 60 to 80 psi. This results in misting, overspray, and a gross amount of water being flushed down the drain. Installation time takes less than a minute, and you use the existing sprinkler that's already in the ground, thus saving you time and money. At H2O, that's our motto: save water, save money. First, begin by clearing the area around the sprinkler head using a 4-inch head trimmer tool like the one shown here from Corona, or a simple garden shovel. Be careful not to damage the sprinkler body in the process. The serrated cutting edges on this tool slice through sod and dirt with ease, opening up clearance around the sprinkler, allowing the head and nozzle to operate properly. Twist the cap off the sprinkler body and take out the internals, making sure the area around the sprinkler body is clear of debris and dirt. Be careful not to twist off or remove the entire body, just the cap and internals as shown here. Next, take a Retro-Regulator and set the correct PSI for the type of nozzle you have installed on the head. For standard spray nozzles, 30 PSI is ideal, and for rotary nozzles like MP rotators or R-Vans, 40 PSI is ideal. All Retro-Regulators come factory preset at 40 PSI. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the slot and press down on the skirt, rotating it 1/4 turn in either direction, unlocking the setting. Continue downward pressure on the stem until it stops at the 30 PSI setting. To lock in your desired setting, simply rotate the skirt back 1/4 turn and you are ready to go. Install the Retro-Regulator into the bottom of the stem by pressing it in with your thumb. For 6-inch and 12-inch pop-ups, you will need to press the Retro-Regulator further down into the stem until it snaps into place. You may need a screwdriver for this step. Now that the Retro-Regulator has been set and installed in the stem, reassemble the sprinkler internals back into the body. Make sure to adjust the nozzle direction so it is watering only the landscape area. This is also a great time to replace the nozzle and clean the screen element. As you have seen, within minutes we have turned a standard unregulated sprinkler into a high-efficient water-saving device. You will notice the difference immediately and realize savings on your monthly water bill. Check out our website for more water conservation products and ask for a Retro-Regulator by H2O at professional wholesale distributors and garden centers nationwide.